Good morning, fam. Good evening, whenever the time zone you are watching this video. You already know my name is Aboyeji 001. I've been in this financial market. I've been in financial markets, particularly forex, for 1.5 years as a retail trader. Kindly don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my video. You already know we are already in new month. Happy new month to you all. I wish you the best in this month, and I wish you successful and profitable in your trading and any other skills you are doing. Let's quickly do our daily analysis. This month, I want to change the pattern. I'm thinking I won't be able to drop weekly analysis again because market is to change. So we'll be doing daily analysis, and I will be dropping in so that what we have during the daily, we are going to trade. We are going to take it. You understand? So let's quickly go into I already know we moved to Forest Factory to see maybe there is news, and you can see around for this Monday around 4 o'clock we have high impact news, which is actual greater than the forecast. It's good for the currency, and you can see they did not give us they did not give they all got forecast, and we are expecting actual. You already know how we used to trade news. We won't be in trade and for 15 maybe the 15 minutes and before 15 before 4 o'clock and after 4 o'clock, you understand. So after the news drop down, we wait, let liquidity sweat before we take our trade. So this is what we have on trade. Let's quickly move to the chart and see what opportunity we have, what opportunity back the opportunity market has for us on the chart. Yeah, welcome back. This is chat. You already know I started from gold, XUSD. Let's see for monthly time frame. You can see the for monthly time frame. This is weekly candle. Weekly candle makes this, and if you can see, we are last month we are having bullish, and if you can see this weekly candle is telling us what seller in the market, they are trying to push the market down. And let's move to and this is our key level here, and this is the key level here, and this is another key level here. If market may come down, it may react on this key level, it may react on this key level here. Let's move to weekly time frame and see what's happening. And this is weekly time frame. This is our previous key level here, and this is our previous key level here again, and this is our previous key level here again. And you can see market is on this key level. And let's move to daily time frame. We can't say this our key level because this candle has not been closed, because 1 2 3 we use 3 candle to identify our key level. You can see 1 2 3, and if you also count this resistance, 1 2 3. And if you can see, this is our break of structure now. This is the last break of structure market was on daily time frame, which means we are in an uptrend. Let's see what market is trying to do. Let's see what market is trying to do here before maybe market is going to break it. If market break this place, break this one, definitely the market is downtrend. So let's see what market is doing. Let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame, and this is the last break of structure market gave us. This is the break of structure, and this is the break of structure daily time frame. Market has broken this break. This is going to swept this liquidity. Definitely, this is the high. This is the this is the recent this is the recent swing high market gave us on daily time frame. You already know we do our swing high and swing low on daily time frame. And if you can see, this is our another swing low. This is swing low. This is the recent swing low market gave us, and this is the recent swing high market gave us on the what on daily time frame. And if you can see, market has broken this place, and let's see what market is doing now. Let's move to 4 hours and see, because you can see market is in downtrend. And if you move to 4 hours, if you move to 4 hours, you see that there is opportunity on 4 hours, which is there is FEG here. There's FEG here. There's FEG here. And if we want to continue this downtrend, you can see on 4 hours, this is break of structure. This is the break of structure. But we have to move to 1 hour. Let's move to 1 hour to see with the opportunity. And if you can see, we are in what? We are in all downtrend. Before we can continue our uptrend, if market close this FEG, if market close this FEG here, because there is opportunity there, there is opportunity here. Let's move to 1 hour and see what 1 hour is telling us. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. Let's see where the opportunity is. On 1 hour, this is last break of structure here. You can see this is last break of structure there. Other block. And this is the last break of structure. You can see. To take this trade, let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see the opportunity 15 minutes as for us. If you can see this 15 minutes, and to take this trade, this is the yeah, this is what we have. This this is what we have, and let's wait for market because we have another entire break of structure here on 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what market asks for us on 15-minute time frame. This is what market asks for us on 15-minute time frame. To join the set, this is if you want to join the set to the FEG. This is what I'm seeing. Let's move to silver USD. For monthly time frame also, you can see we are in uptrend. And what? Seller tried to push the market down. This January, sellers tried to push the market down. And you already know this is the key level on monthly time frame. This is the high market broken on. This is the higher high market broken on monthly time frame, which market did not look back. This is the key level, and this is the last key level. Let's move to weekly time frame. What weekly time frame is telling us? This is the weekly time frame, and if you can see, what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing FEG on weekly time frame also. I'm seeing FEG here. Sorry for that. And markets has not cleared this liquidity, and if you see this is the last break of structure we have on what on weekly time frame, and this is the key level. This is the first one, 1, 2, 3. The second one, 2, 3. That's why I said this is the key level, but markets trying to push it, but it's trying to push it down. But on weekly time frame, we are having FEGJ, which means this market is what is still downtrend. Let's move to daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. You can see this is the swing high. This is the last swing high market gave us, and this is the swing low here. This is the swing low here. This is the recent swing low here. because this is the last break of structure here, and this is the last break of structure here. So a market has came all the way here, and if you can see, we are having FEG, because those are liquidity for me. Let's move to 4 hours and see what is happening on 4 hours. This is 4 hours. We will not see break of structure on 4 hours. What we have to do now is move to 1 hour. 4 hours just to join the recent opportunity. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour, and what I'm seeing on 1 hour, this is the last break of structure. I cannot say this is last break of structure because it's just only weak. Let's move to 15 minutes and see what 15 minutes is telling you. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. This is 15 minutes, and this is the last break of structure 15 minutes giving us. And you can see this is the eye that breaking this low, and this opportunity is not okay. But from 1 hour, this is where we are having our what? This is where we are having our break of structure. This is where we are having our other block. On 4 hours, we are having greater block here. If we said this breaker, this breaker block, this breaker block. Let's move to 4 hours. So let's wait. Let us wait, because what I'm seeing here, this breaker block as for me. Since since daily time frame is telling us bullish, this is bullish. But let's wait because market has to sweep this liquidity here before continuing the uptrend. You understand? But if markets break that broke it, retest is coming to this key level on weekly time frame. And when we move to 4 hours, we do not see opportunity to sell, to continue the what? The sell. Yeah, we should continue that from. This is where we see the opportunity. This is the last lower high market created, which is demand. No, supply, sorry, which is supply, and all this internal has already been liquidated. And there's no FEG with higher service. I'm going to say liquidity, but market is respecting this internal order block here. And we have other block here. Let's move to 1 minute. If you can see this opportunity, switching of character 1 minute, definitely this bullish, this bearish is what is valid. This is it. You can see this is what this last break of this is what this change of character, and this is the FEG here. Maybe market is coming here again to this descent. This is what market gave me. Sorry for that. This is what the market gave me on 50-minute time frame. We are still on sell on gold and silver. Seriously, we are still on sell on gold and silver. This is where I'm expecting the gold to sell. Let's see what is going to give us. Let's move to US 30. Let's see the opportunity on US 30. For monthly time frame, US 30 is telling us bullish, but we move to weekly time frame. This is our key level. You can see this also our key level here. This is the last break social market gave us. If we move to daily time frame is telling us this liquidity, and you can see all this on weekly time frame. This is the key level here, and this is the key level over here. If market broken this key level, definitely it will retest and continue to this key level here, to this key level here. And let's move to daily time frame. What we do on daily time frame is what recent break. You can see this is the this is the swing low, and this is the swing high. And market has been retesting this swing high, and if you can see our weekly key level also is there. It has been retesting. It has been strong. It has turned to what? For me, it has turned to this resistance. When market has touches higher highs every time, definitely maybe the first time it is supply, second time it touches is turned to resistance, third time is turned to resistance. Definitely that place is what is either strong. If market broken it will retest and continue the uptrend. And if you can see, this is what we have on daily time frame. This is our previous swing low and high. If you can see, this is the swing previous one. This is the previous swing low and previous swing high, and this is the recent swing low and recent what swing high. If you move to 4 hours, let's see what opportunities 4 hours is telling us. This is the 4 hours. If you can see, we have FEG here. This is the FEG we have on 4 hours. This is the FEG we have on 4 hours. And if you can see, market is creating liquidity. All those what is happening here is what is liquidity. As for me, it's liquidity. Let's move to 1 hour and see what's happened on 1 hour. Let's see with the opportunity we have here on 1 hour. This opportunity that is happening on 1 hour. As for me, market is showing this liquidity, but market may calm down because we have what we have is what we have FEG here. We are having FEG here. We are having FEG here. I put this as what as other block for me. Because I'm still expecting the market to come to go down because this is the liquidity. Liquidity is down. You can see that liquidity also. And if you see there is FEG, there is FEG here, and this is liquidity for me. You see market has been creating liquidity. This what this what we are having. So as for me, we are having sell seriously, and this is where we are buying. This is where we are buying. As for me, I'm having sell as for now on USDT. I'm having sell because all those what is happening are liquidity. We can see this place trying to push down, and this FEG here is going to push it down back. So this is what we have on USDT. Definitely, this is what I have on USDT. The market is still selling. Seriously, the market is still selling. For as for me, the market is still selling for me, and definitely it's going to sell. Just just need to be patient. Let's move to forex. Let's see what this forex is doing. This is GBPJPY. This is where I've expected the market for. Let's start from monthly time frame. You already know this where I say market is coming. This is the key level I'm expecting the market to come. And as for me, let's move to daily time frame, then weekly time frame. Since we have seen our key level that market is coming here, this is where we are expecting market to retest because there's liquidity here. You can see market may show this liquidity down. But let's see what is happening on weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this is the key level. And market has not broken the key level. The II, the weekly II, market has not broken it. And what we are having here, and this is the last break of structure here. And this is our recent key level here. You can see this is key level here. And this there is FEG here on weekly time frame. There's FEG here on weekly time frame in which market came back to this place. Let's see, maybe market is going to break this with full body count. If market break this for this, definitely this FEG what is valid. But as for now, let's move to weekly daily time frame. This daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. You can see on daily time frame. This is the recent what recent swing, recent break of structure, in which this is our swing high and this our swing low. This our swing low and this our swing high. And what we are doing, let's see what is happening in the market now. Let's see what is happening on the market in the market now. See what's happening. There's what there's on daily time frame we have this internal break of structure, and we have other block here in which we are expecting market to come here before continuing the uptrend. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours. This is what is happening on 4 hours, and this is what 4 hours is telling us. This is the last break of structure, and this is the last break of structure also. Internal break of structure. Internal break of structure. And we can see market has showed this liquidity. Market, this is where market is. And you can see market is not giving FEG, and but market is giving us downtrend. This on 4 hours. This is our what? Our other block. But if market break it with full body count, definitely we find the way where to buy. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. And what is happening on 1 hour? As for me, market has swept this liquidity here, mitigate this FEG, and let's see what market is doing. This is what market is doing. Market, this is the last break of structure. This is the other block, but market has not what has not give us. Well, let's move to 15 minutes to see the opportunity of 15 minutes. You can see 15 minutes. This is the last break of structure on 15 minutes. And this is the other block. This is the other block on 15 minutes. See what 15 minutes is telling us. This is what 15 minutes is telling us. This is the last. You can see this is the last break of structure here. And it's telling us bullish. But me, I'm seeing liquidity swept here. Liquidity has swept here. How we are going to consider the if market broken this place, retest and continue to mitigate this 4 hours order block, because this is the 4 hours. This is the other block 4 hours give us. And you can see we are having FEG here. So we guys be patient. 1 hour is not giving us this is the last break of structure is aligned with 15 minutes, and liquidity swept. You can see market swept the liquidity and give us what the uptrend. This is what we are having. Give us the uptrend. This is what we are having. Let's see what opportunity market has for us. On GBPUSD, let's move to EURUSD. Let's see what is happening on EURUSD. This EURUSD. For monthly time frame, this is the key level I'm expecting the market to come. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. You can see the key level here. This is the key level here. You can see the key level. Market has broken it, but what seller is doing is trying to push the market down. You can see seller is trying to push the market down. See the weak candle, but it has not mitigated this FEG. This monthly time frame key level. Let's move to daily time. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. This is daily time frame, and we are having what break of structure. This is our recent break of structure. This is our break of structure. Let's see, maybe we have FEG on monthly time, weekly now. On daily time frame, these are break of structure. This is the swing high now. This is the swing high now. And this is the swing low now. This is the swing low now. And if you can see, there is no opportunity down, but there is the opportunity here. We cannot see this opportunity because this is FEG here. Let's move to this last break of structure. This is the internal break of structure here. And this is the other block he gave us. Let's move to 4 hours. This 4 hours. You can see where market is. This is the last week candle that open. Last week candle that opened that give us the bullish. Let's see, maybe it's going to push it up again, because this is the other block, and market is giving us downtrend. You can see on 4 hours, this is the last. On 4 hours, this is the last break of structure we have for 4 hours. And this is the internal break of structure we have. We have internal break of structure here. And this is the other block we have here. Let's see what is going. That is what is happening, because we are having FEG here. Let's move to 1 hour and see what's happening on 1 hour. See the 1 hour. You can see this is last break of structure. And market has not given us what? Has not given us opportunity. This is the 1 hour, or the one. This is the 1 hour break of structure. If market breaking it, it will retest, mitigate this space before continuing the downtrend. Let's move to 15 trend, 15 minute time frame. Let's see what opportunity we have there. This 15-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure market gave us. Internal break of structure. You can see that last break of structure is aligned with 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 hour time frame. Sorry for that. And this is the other block. Let's see what market is trying to do. But if market broken it, it will retest, mitigate this other 4 hours other block. Let's move to 1 hour, 1 hour 50 minutes. This 15 minutes, as you can see, it's aligned with what? It's aligned with it. And this is not break this place. Definitely, this will serve as liquidity. But let's be seeing if market broken it, it will retest, mitigate this FEG before continuing the downtrend. Let's see what's happening 15 minutes. Maybe you can join this buy. You cannot join this buy. So you can join it, but we just be patient before we join it in. If you want to join this buy, market market will come back and continue the buy. That's what I'm saying. Let's see USDJPY. This is what is happening on USDJPY. For monthly time frame, this is our key level, which market has not mitigated. But let's see what is happening. On monthly time frame, we are still in an uptrend. On daily time frame, what is happening on daily time frame? This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is our recent swing. This is our break of structure. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. And market is trying to what? It's trying to push it down. But this break of structure is giving us FEG here. We are having FEG here. And on daily time frame, we are having FEG here also. As we are having FEG here. Because this break of structure here. Let's see what's up. No, I'm sorry. So we'll start with weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. You can see this is our monthly time frame. This is where I'm expecting the market to mitigate before keeping us downtrend. And if you can see, we have FEG here on monthly time frame, but market has not mitigated that FEG very well before continuing the uptrend. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. This is our key level here. And definitely you can see the key level has mitigated the key level and it's trying to push it down. And this is our recent resistance key level. And we still have some other key level. You can see there is key level here also. There's key level here also. So let's see what market. Let's move to daily time frame to see the clear picture. This is the daily time frame. You can see we are in uptrend and we are having FEG here, which market has not closed because market has swept this liquidity. Market has swept this liquidity here. And market there is FEG here, which market has not closed its all these days. You can't say maybe market is coming to that FEG, or maybe this is the FEG that's going to push the market up because the FEG itself is giving us what is giving us the break of structure. You can see this is the break of structure the FEG is giving us. And let's see monthly time frame. Maybe it's aligned with monthly time frame, and you can see it's aligned with it. Let's just wait and see what is happening. This daily time frame. If this FEG cannot hold it, definitely this FEG is going to give us the buy. This is where we are expecting the buy from. But let's see the opportunity we have today. This is the opportunity on daily time frame. We have FEG here. I think market came to close it and see let's what's happened on daily on what on 15 on 4 hours. This is 4 hours. You can see market has closed this FEG. Market has closed this FEG. What we just need is just to find the opportunity to sell. This let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what's happened 1 hour. This 1 hour, this 1 hour, and this is the last break of short 1 hour and giving us. I know I fuck up last week. This is the you can see this break of short. This is the break of short yesterday. And market swept this liquidity on 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours is giving us. 4 hours, market swept this liquidity, and you can see all the sell is going down. What we have is just the opportunity. This is the opportunity we have. This is the last break of structure here, internal break of structure. You can see the internal break of structure here, and this is the other block that gave us. This is the demand zone. This is the demand. Sorry, demand. Let's move to 15 minutes to see the opportunity of 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes, and this is what market is trying to do for us. You can see this is the last break of structure market is giving us. This is the last break of structure I'm seeing. This is change of character. Market mitigated change of character of that block. Market mitigated change of character of that block. Give us I'm seeing this place as other block we can see. Break of structure. And markets this is the internal break of structure. And this is the high that gave us. We are having FEG here, and you can see there is liquidity here. Yes, they like to be creating your liquidity, but let's just see what is happening. This is the last break of structure again, but market swept it, came back here. But let's see what market is trying to do. We gotta be patient. You don't need to be rush. You don't need to rush. We really don't need to rush. You don't need to rush. Market is coming down. Let's see what if market give us change of character on 1 hour time frame. Definitely the market is set. Let's move to GBP, J, GBPJPY. Also, you can see on minute or 1 hour time frame. This is the key level. I'm expecting the market to come, but this is the recent key level. Market is reacting on this recent key level. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. This is daily time frame. You can see this is the key level here. You can see this is the key level. But if those key level continue to hold, there is key level here. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame. This is daily time frame. Because this is the demand and this is the other block. This way I'm expecting the market. If you can see the swing I will say liquidity swept for me because it's not valid changing break of structure. Liquidity swept and we call it liquidity swept for me. But those internal are liquidity. Let's move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This place I'm trying to see what market is doing. I'm trying to see what market is doing in this place. I'm still expecting the market down. I'm still expecting the market from here to push it up. All those places are liquidity for me. All these places are liquidity for me. But to take the buy is solely just to remain. Only just to take the buy. And you can see this FEG. Market expected this FEG. Let's move to 1 hour and see what's happening 1 hour. As for me, we are in that trend. The reason why I say I'm in trend is you can see this is change of this is the last break of structure market gave us. And this is what change of character. I've said this, all these places are liquidity. All these places are liquidity. Let's see what market is trying to do. Let's move to 30 minutes. There's opportunity on 30 minutes. There's FEG here. There's FEG there. So market is selling from here. On 15 minutes. Sorry, on 30 minutes, I'm seeing the FEG. This way I'm seeing the FEG. Market is selling from here. Let's see what is happening. I'm expecting the market here. Downtrend. But one should tell it first. Let's expect the market here. So this is what I have on all the pairs. Let's call it a day. The minute is too much safe. Let's call it a day. Let's see the way the opportunity is going to align with us. This is what I have. So let's see what the market has for us today. So you already know my name is Aboyi001. Kindly don't forget to share, comment, like, and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my daily analysis. Because I will what I'm doing now is that I'll be dropping daily analysis because because market is change during the week. So I'm trying to be dropping daily analysis. Okay. We have to have a profitable and successful week ahead and in other skills you are doing. Thanks, peace and love.